Hi, good morning. It's Trent Clark, CEO of Leadershipity, and welcome to Monday Morning Motivation with Coach Trent. I'm very excited to talk about one of my biggest passions, mentorship. And a lot of people ask me about how do I get a great mentor? Well, first, you get the right person. Find the right person that you want that can lead you to where you want to go. Someone who's come before you and has the values and beliefs that you may share and want to emulate and be like. Two, have courage. Ask someone. Ask one of those one percenters. The top level people rarely get asked for help on their knowledge. Ask them. Three, you will get a share. Like high level percentage people who have really driven, who have made it, who have kind of hit that peak, they want to give back on all the people that helped them along the way, and they call it pay it forward. They want to share their knowledge. They want to do that. So you're going to get that from the give. And then, of course, relationship. Number four, build a relationship first. Build trust in that so you can build on that as a foundation of kindness and friendship. And then you'll keep building on the business and building your relationship together. Do that first. Five, build a cadence for how you're going to meet. You're going to meet weekly, every other week, monthly, quarterly, whatever it may be. Design your time together, build that agenda, and have a very pointed effort on your goals and what you're tracking to do. Come ready and prepared. Lastly, as a mentee, be committed. Don't be interested in this relationship. Be committed to this relationship and building what you want to do. You sought this relationship for a reason. Now it's time to show your commitment by doing the things that you're talking about doing. Working at your goals. Every month, every meeting, you've got things to do in between that. Make sure you commit to doing them and doing them well. Thank you for Monday Morning Motivation joining me. Please join me this Friday for Winners Find a Way, our YouTube live show that airs at 12:30 Eastern, 9:30 a.m. Pacific, when I welcome Jim Ayers, former executive of the Amway Corporation. And Jim and I are going to talk about that one thing that you actually have to have, that foundational item that you're going to need to keep progressing in your career, in your business, in your leadership journey. So join us this Friday on Winners Find a Way.